Pupbox is a subscription box that you can get, and I decided to bring the puppies in on this one because they're doing pretty good. You might see a blooper reel at the end of me trying to get the thumbnail because honestly it took forever. That being said, they're eager to see what toys I was making them live along. So, first thing in this one is this pterodactyl that's super cheeky. Oh, you like that. Merle, come here. It's very soft. I like this one. It's got a lot of different textures to it. Like the wings have different textures. I say it passes their test. Maybe her bed. He knows it's hers now. Oh, you lost on that one. You want the carrot? So this one is kind of like a Kong. Like you can hold different treats and stuff in it and totally fill it up. It will definitely be used like a Kong. And carrot. It's rubber. I'm going to assume it's dishwasher safe. I'm not 100% sure on that. And then looks like we got a duck and a mango chew. That looks nice. The treats are lamb liver. Super tiny little morsels. Those are 100%. Looks like it's raw freeze dried tiny steak. Love that. And we got a new leash. Oh, we got a Pupbox branded leash. Hey, leave a coin. That's a pretty solid. Sir, we don't eat leashes. So, yeah, I currently, ooh, okay, I like that. It's got a little D-ring on the side of it. So, like, I assume that's probably mostly for storage purposes, but you could also, if you have a carabiner, very easily flip this onto your waist or something. Or I like to, when I put them out on a long line, actually prefer to hook this up to the long line and then put this part on me. A few different things you can do. The handle is padded, so that's nice. And the edges are still kind of, like, it would take a bit to get leash burn if they're pulling on you a lot, but not nearly as much as just the intro level leashes, which apparently I'm going to end up doing a video on that because it's been requested. It does have a double-sided pattern, so I do like that. It's very pretty. We'll find out if it's practical at another time, in another video, in another universe. Why is this taking so long to wrap up? I'm going to say that's probably a 6-foot leash. That feels like a 6-foot leash. And then, of course, last but not least, the leash. The training guide for the 6-month box is all about leash skills, which feels a little late, but also I understand not everybody trains their dogs to the same like this is usually when most people would be introducing this stuff. Most people don't start as soon as they get them 3 weeks. But it looks like it's exercise and stimulation, explaining mental stimulation, grooming, teaching your puppy self-control, which, you saw the blooper reel. These guys may or may not have. It kind of depends on who you ask and what day it is. Oh, there's some more of this stuff in here. Back up. Whoa, you okay? An info pamphlet on parasites and Valenpup. And then some Symphractica trio, which funny enough is actually what our vet gives these guys. So I kind of all for that one. So that is the 6-month Pupbox review. This might be a weird video because again, audio cut out halfway through, so I gotta replace some batteries and then we'll be moving on to the next one. But if you guys enjoyed that, leave me a like and a comment on what your favorite toy was, or your favorite moment of these two being Chaos Gremlins. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!